we are really pleased to announce that the Health Board has decided to reintroduce colorectal cancer surgery into Bronglais Hospital. This is an exciting opportunity. We are looking to employ 2 enthusiastic and committed laparoscopic colorectal surgeons and also a laparoscopic general surgeon. You will join an already developed network of 7 colorectal, 4 upper GI and 2 general surgeons, and this will allow us to offer a modern and comprehensive GI surgical service. The environment in Bronglais is excellent. I've worked in lots of different hospitals, and I work in this hospital obviously, and the hospital has benefited from significant investment in the last few years.
And that actually led to this place achieving JAG accreditation, but not just simple accreditation. It had a 5-year unconditional accreditation, and that has not happened more than a small number of times across the UK.
The day case facilities, I think, are probably the best in the United Kingdom. The main theatres are currently being refurbished, and when they are open, they again will be state-of-the-art. The endoscopy unit is an accredited endoscopy unit, and again is a fantastic environment. And one thing I think that has always shone through for me is the staff. The staff in Bronglais are very loyal and very committed.
Currently, we work as a colorectal team here in Bronglais. We've got a good endoscopy service, and also we have good oncology input and also palliative care if needed. We're also developing a nurse-led clinic here with our colorectal patients. We facilitated that currently in Glangwili. We're hoping to introduce it soon in Bronglais.
It's extremely rare for any individual to be there at the beginning of a service and to be able to set up that service essentially the way that they would like it to be provided, and therefore to be able to provide the high quality service to patients that the patients deserve.
I'm fairly certain that once one person comes, I think that will be catalyst for the service to develop dramatically.
We will want all new employees to be actively involved in the development of our new services and to bring new ideas and also develop their roles within the Health Board. But there's no doubt that we will continue to need surgeons who are going to be providing high quality surgical care in Bronglais.
I thought quality of life phrase didn't mean anything until I actually started to get it after 18 months here. And the best way to get it is to spend at least a few months here, then drive back to where you came from, and you realise why you're here in the first place.
For further information, please view our service webpage.